Okay, now we did story time. Now I want you guys to try to pick your favorite apps and what games you want to try.
This one.
Go ahead. Here you go. Ooh. Now you want to try to do the R?
R C J W J R R W R R.
Oh, what do you do? Match it up?
Once more.
Do you know how this works, this app? Because you
I know
guys,
how to do it.
let me show us how to do it because everybody needs to help everybody
I
here.
don't
And I'm looking backwards.
Go like that.
Great
Good
job.
job.
See, Riley.
R.
Okay.
Great. W.
Yay.
W. Great.
Anybody want to try the J?
J. Try again. J.
All right. Great. All right, let's try another app now. Let's give everybody a turn, okay? All right. You want to try an app? Want to try an app? Okay. And show us what to do because you guys use these apps every single day, and Riley's going to help you guys.
Hi, it's me, Cecile.
Wow. What are you doing here?
Look at the word to spell and put each seal.
That's helping you learn how to. So what is he saying? Pen. We say pen. Pen. Want to try another one? Let's try another one. Everybody say sun, sun, sun,
Sun.
sun. Very good. Okay. Want to try? Let's try. Everybody gets a treat. You want to pick an app? Want to try an app? Is your turn? Okay. You guys like there's some more storybook apps? Whatever you like. There you go, you guys. I love it. You want to do the ABC one again, or you want to do something different? Something different? Okay, so what about this? This is a good one. Watch. I think he's an alligator.
Hey, the alligator plays the accordion.
Is that funny? That's funny. Look at him, isn't it?